Walang bangga, walang tulang sa damuhan. Be gentlemen on the track. Give space. Be respectful to each other. We're all friends here. Let's stay that way.
We now have the BRC track record for the Subaru. This is the fastest Subaru in Batangas racing circuit right now.
In the racetrack, unless your car breaks down, nobody stops in the racetrack.
Race day, FTW track day. So this car will be in race 1, Prestige and Turbo Plus class. This is my car, will be in the Turbo Plus only. So I'll be doing runs in the morning, and then in the afternoon he's gonna need my tires. They are 200 tread wear, and you're not allowed to go below 200 on Prestige and Turbo Plus. So tires. Let's see what we can do. includes our BRC, our BRC track day. So unang beses namin, it's our first time to track here in a long time. Me, I haven't raced here since 2015, 16. It's a long time ago, and we have two cars that we made. We're here, by the way, sa Full Throttle weekend. So very good event. We have two cars here. This blue car is a 320 wheel horsepower STI, stock turbo, full bolt-ons only, and then it's tuned, so 320 wheel. And then we have this special car. It's this car. Both cars have our fully built engine, the MX500 EJ25. Both cars performed yesterday and today flawlessly. No engine trouble, no nothing. Temps are good, oil pressure is good. The car works well even after a lot of abuse. And we now have the BRC track record for the Subaru. This is the fastest Subaru in Batangas racing circuit right now. 1 minute 49 seconds, 0.49. It's a 430 wheel horsepower STI that we built using our own engine, and then a G25 Garrett turbo. Yeah, what can you say about the car?
The car handles very well. My biggest issue driving a Subaru before has been heat, and I've always had problems with overheating, and there was the whole time, both yesterday and today, the car ran flawlessly. I really pushed it hard and the temperature never came up. So the car has been really solid and very good and easy to drive. We got tires from Nankang. They provided us the NS2R tires. We had a really good time here. So thank you to them. Thank you to AMSOIL for providing all the liquids that we have. So, and thank you to Meg Automotive for providing me with an awesome car.
All right, that's good. Let's go to the podium. So now, yeah, fastest lap time BRC on our first try. So we could push it a little harder, but we decided to just stop here because, you know, we just wanted to do the under 1 minute 50, and we did it, and that's good enough. So we are now going back to the drawing board, check everything. There are more things we can improve on, and then we're gonna raise the power because we need more power on the top end. So we're probably gonna use the G30 Garrett turbo and a whole lot of new stuff. So this now has a stock brakes, stock bushings, and under chassis parts. So we can only do one hot lap, 1.5, and then no more brakes. So next upgrade will be the brakes and more power, because the driver can drive, and as long as we give them the car that can perform, it'll be all good. So thank you guys. I know, I was like, okay, this guy's doing a good lap, and then fucking, where the fuck's that guy?
And then the brake just goes. Well, one time in the chicane, I was having to put it sideways like this to
In
stop.
second place, with a lap time of 156.751. Another comeback racer in Tokyo Battle Time Battle, Barbell, Bayonbong. Lightning. And in first place, who is now pretty much officially the new fastest STI in FP in Full Throttle weekend, with a lap time of 1:49.494, the Subaru. Tunay ito, Thomas Rador!